Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the Wáayo'ob. The Wáayo'ob is one of the legends between the Yucatec Maya people of Belize. Wáayo'ob is singular and Wáayo'ob is plural. Now, for the ancient Maya, the Wáayo'ob referred to an animal that shares its essence with each person, a kind of a company spirit. So a Wáayo'ob can refer to a person who can control this accompany spirit or transform into an animal while asleep. After the conquest, due to religion, this legend was more associated with evil. A Wáayo'ob can either be good or bad. A Wáayo'ob can use its power to benefit the community, but also can use its power to do mischievous acts. Growing up, we heard the legends of people that had this ability to transform into different animals. One of the most known was the person that can transform into a huge pig to do mischievous acts. This is known as the Wáayo'ob. We also heard the story of the person with the ability to transform into a huge dog, black dog known as the Wáayo'ob. And we also heard the story of the person that have the ability to transform into a cat, known as the Wáayo'ob. So depending on the individual or on the transformation, it gets a different name. The classic Wáayo'ob include a far wider range of shapes than the contemporary or the 20th century Wáayo'ob. They include not only domestic animals or mammals like jaguars and birds, but also apparitions, hybrids of deer and spider monkey, and even walking skeletons. So thank you, Boutique. Hope you guys have enjoyed this little video.